with everything that you said, I mean, you have so many things going on. You're constantly posting videos on YouTube and posting, making posts on Instagram. If you're inviting guests to come and talk to you on your show, you're coordinating the time to talk to these guys, and then you have your other businesses as well. I'm guessing a lot of people would face a problem around time management, specifically when doing so many things. So with that, I want to ask you this question. How do you manage your time? How do you prioritize your Monday to Friday or your daily?
Well, that's a good question. I really just pack it all in. I'm a very type A personality. I work for 18 hours a day and sleep for maybe 6 hours a night. I will go tonight. You know, I've been up since 6 a.m. and I'll go tonight till probably 10 or 11 or 12 o'clock solid. For instance, I'm doing this for 2 hours. I'm at my work right now. I've been building a lab all day. I will leave here at 4 o'clock. I have another call that goes till 5 o'clock. I have a live stream that's starting on my YouTube channel at 6:30, which I allow another group, this group called the Dragonfly Earth Medicine. I think Karen Campbell would really like what they've got going on. They're super amazing people, organic gardeners, healers, the whole 9 yards. And I have offered my channel to them so I can host, and they can bring all these amazing experts that they know, people who are experts at soil and growing and all of these different things from all of these amazing different platforms onto my platform, and then I can gain traction from that while I'm really at the same time sharing my traction with a group that they don't have it. They're not going to get thousands of views if they start their own YouTube channel. So that's another thing. Never be afraid to sort of, you know, share your channel with like-minded people. It's also a very good way to boost your views and your subscribers.